The ASUS TUF RTX 4090, it has been making waves as one of the fastest GPUs that you can buy as of today. So at the time of making this video, this GPU was selling for around $1,983. So what sets this GPU apart from its predecessors is its 24GB of GDDR6X video RAM, which is running on a wide 384-bit memory bus. So this combination allows for a mind-blowing 1TB per second of memory bandwidth. Needless to say, this makes it an absolute beast of a GPU for 4K gaming, but it does not stop there. This is also an absolute beast of a card for content creation. So if you're a content creator, the ASUS TUF RTX 4090 is going to delight you. This card has two 8th generation NVIDIA hardware encoders and it can easily handle the AV1 codec. Now the AV1 codec is really important because it's world renowned for its ability to deliver high quality videos in 4K, and it can deliver even higher resolution videos, and this makes it the perfect card for live streaming and content creation. Honestly, AV1 is the future of video codecs, so if you buy RTX 4090, you are going to be future proofed. Now when it comes to gaming performance, prepare to be blown away. The ASUS TUF RTX 4090 gaming OC leaves all its competitors in the dust, including last year's champion, the RTX 3090 Ti. So if you take a look at the 13 game average 4K performance, this card is absolutely demolishing every other GPU in the market. And the same trend continues in 1440p gaming, where the RTX 4090 continues to outshine all other cards. So in terms of bang for your bucks, the RTX 4090 is undoubtedly the world's best GPU. It's easily surpassing RTX 4080 and 4070 Ti in terms of performance per dollar. Now obviously those cards are cheaper, but if you're looking at absolute raw performance for your dollars, RTX 4090 is the king. Now before you rush out and get your hands on this GPU, there are a couple of things that you need to know. Firstly, the ASUS TUF RTX 4090, it's an absolute behemoth in size. Measuring a whopping 13.7 inches in length and 5.9 inches in width, this card is not going to fit in all PC cases. So make sure that your PC case is spacious enough to accommodate this powerful beast before making your purchase. Additionally, keep in mind that the recommended power supply for this card is at least 1000 watt. So make sure that you have a PSU which can deliver 1000 watts, and if not, then be prepared to spend some extra money to upgrade your PSU. Now despite its humongous power requirements, the ASUS TUF RTX 4090 runs surprisingly cool. This is because it has a large vapor chamber which comes in direct contact with the GPU die, and it is able to efficiently dissipate the heat. This coupled with the composite heat pipes that transfer heat from the GPU and the VRAM to the heatsink, you get excellent thermal performance. And as an added bonus, the extended heatsink design allows for increased airflow, promoting better heat dissipation. Additionally, ASUS has done something really smart. They have set the 3 fans in such a way that they spin in alternate mode. And this helps reduce air turbulence, and it also increases effective airflow pressure, and this contributes to a cooler and a quieter gaming experience. So to wrap it up, the ASUS TUF RTX 4090, it's an absolute powerhouse of a GPU, and it's the best GPU that you can buy regardless of whether you are planning to buy this for gaming or whether you are planning to buy it for content creation. It delivers exceptional performance, it has very impressive memory bandwidth, and it supports all the latest codecs. So as long as you have a large case which can accommodate this GPU, and as long as you have a 1000 watt power supply, you are good to go.